Hey everyone, if Penpot is showing an unexpected error message, freezing suddenly, or something just breaks without explanation, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Penpot working normally again. First, refresh Penpot and reload your project. Many unexpected errors are just temporary glitches. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, unstable networks can interrupt requests and trigger random errors. Try signing out and then signing back in. Session issues can sometimes cause unexpected errors in the app. Corrupted cache or cookies can break how Penpot loads, so clearing them can often fix unexpected behavior. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Penpot scripts. Yeah, disabling them temporarily is a good test. If the error continues, open Penpot in another browser. This helps identify if the issue is browser-specific. Make sure your browser is fully updated. Outdated versions can break compatibility with modern web apps like Penpot. Large or complex files can sometimes trigger unexpected errors, so try closing heavy projects or simplifying your design. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. If Penpot servers are down or under maintenance, you may just need to wait. If nothing works, contact Penpot support. They can check your account or system logs and help fix unexpected errors. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot unexpected errors and get your workflow back on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.